How to make money online with your skills in 2024. Are you a skilled writer, designer, or coder? Turn your talents into a lucrative online career with these opportunities. Writing. Freelance writing. Offer your writing services to clients on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Content writing. Create high-quality content for businesses and websites on platforms like Medium, WordPress, or LinkedIn. Copywriting. Write compelling copy for ads, marketing campaigns, and sales materials on platforms like Freelance Writing Jobs or We Work Remotely. Design. Graphic design. Offer your design services to clients on platforms like 99 Designs, Upwork, or Fiverr. UI/UX design. Create user-friendly designs for websites and apps on platforms like TopTal, Upwork, or Dribbble. Digital art. Sell your digital art on platforms like Society6, Redbubble, or Etsy. Coding. Web development. Offer your coding services to clients on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal. Mobile app development. Create mobile apps for clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Coding tutorials. Create online courses teaching coding skills on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Tips and trends for 2024. Increase your online presence by building a personal website or portfolio. Focus on niche markets or specialties to stand out in the competitive online market. Utilize social media platforms to promote your services and connect with potential clients. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices to remain competitive. By leveraging your skills and creativity, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business in 2024.